Hello, Canva has introduced AI 2.0, a new version of its artificial intelligence that allows you to create content much faster and easier. Let's take a look at how to activate it. Let's go to Canva homepage and now click Open AI and type Activate Superpowers into the search field, and this will unlock access to the new feature. Now we need to wait and click Try it out. Here we can click Personal Canva AI Create About Me. And here you go, you can see all about you. And now you can enter what you want to create, and that's it. This activation is only for free for 7 days, which means maximum AI usage. You can test, create, and explore without limits. What happens after 7 days? Canva AI does not disappear. Your usage simply returns to the standard limit included in your plan. So I hope you liked this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe, and see you next time.